Okay, what we got here today is our German sport gun, the GSG-16 22 cal long rifle. This is actually like 22 caliber, so it's kind of like to just save on money on ammunition when you just want to go and shoot. This is like, the entire rifle is plastic. It's kind of funny, it's very lightweight. I'm just adjusting it to see how comfortable, and it's very comfortable. Let's shoot it and see what happens. One major problem is this glasses keep getting fogged because of the mask. Let's shoot it. What just happened? Did I just shoot anything? There is no noise. It seems to be the distance so quiet you don't even know that you're shooting. It's like if you have a silencer. Let's try again. I sneeze stronger than this. Okay, so let's bring it. We are at around 50 feet away, and it's a 22 caliber, and we try to see how far it can go accurate, and it's pretty accurate because I shot this guy's neck and I think he's dead.